Then Butter. Just like that.
It's Miller time.
Downwind, plenty of it, Miller. Into the grandstand. The offside, brilliant. One bounce.
Straight down the ground. And that will be 50 for David Miller. That's his 25th. Right. Got enough, David Miller? You bet you have. More off. That'll go past everybody down to the boundary before as well. Again, makes it look so easy. He might just be thinking more. Problem at all for Miller. There's four of them. We're down to four. Pretty hard, although it could run away before this, it does. Oh!